little Scotts mower there started acting up on me. It seemed like it was having some sort of fuel related issue. Did a little bit of troubleshooting and I think I found the problem. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I went through and pulled off the air filter and checked the fuel filter and some stuff like that. And I think basically the thing would run for a bit, then start surging, then shut off like it was running out of fuel. So yeah, I got the thing restarted again. And one of the troubleshooting steps that I do sometimes when working on this is I'll open up the fuel tank. And open up the fuel tank seemed to fire right back up to life when it was idling. So I think I found the problem here. You can see, yeah, I'm not sure what, probably some sort of insect, but something's completely clogged to this vent on the cap here. So what I think's going on is the tractor would run for a little bit and then it would basically pull a vacuum, be starving for fuel. Somewhere there'd be enough leakage somewhere that it would, equalize the tank pressure and run for a couple minutes again. So I'm going to clean this out and see if we fix the problem. Yeah, so I took this over to my other mower here, and you can see the difference. These are the same fuel caps from Walmart, and you can see on the one on the, yeah, this one here, you can see that vent hole is nice and clean, and then the one I just popped off, you can see that vent's completely full of something. I'm being a little bit lazy and not going to the house to get any tools, so I'm just using my Swiss Army knife here to hopefully be able to get that out. There's 3 holes in the bottom there with that rubber gasket, so hopefully just opening up and getting out whatever's going on there will be enough that it'll vent. Now yeah, I can just blow some air through here and definitely free now, so get reinstalled. All right, so there we have it. Running just as good as it always has. So make sure you do that. Go ahead and always check the easy stuff first. Might save yourself a lot of time and trouble ripping off carburetors, doing anything else. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if this helped you. And go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. Take care.